So the friend just let me borrow his Model X Plaid with 34 miles of range. How considerate. But he says the acceleration is like nothing he's ever felt before. So let's give it a try. Let's give it a go. 3, 2, 1. Oh my God. Holy shit. Damn. That's not even this isn't even the fast one. The Model S is the fastest one, but thing goes crazy, and it's not even at full, like, I can't even imagine full battery. He goes again. The initial kick is insane. Oh, hey, I can get used to this, to be honest. This thing's super cool. The yoke is kind of dank too, not even gonna lie. People that say don't like it, they update themselves, like a software update. But this thing goes crazy. Holy shit. And I do feel like, since we're such low in range, I do feel like it's like kind of limiting the acceleration, because Tesla prioritizes you getting to your destination over some couple giggles. But this thing is insane. This thing is crazy. I'm about to go to the supercharger ASAP, and then fully hit the accelerator again. Here goes. See you guys in the next one. Woo!